left, right. Right. Left, right. This must fall. No, I'm this is the thing about why. This is why I'm supporting the fees must fall. These are my reasons when I cut like. I didn't have a chance to go to a university, because enough. And another thing, teacher IT Africans, which fundis Africans again, a better. So being a pasanga correct. There's one chairman Sam. I found this. Can this fund the art? There's can this fund the art.
Children from the world.
This is how I found out. Not be a chele, but the Watambo fundis abantu at school. Askararanaskamaski. Pumpara. Esarana pum pum. Taskarava. Langul kamar. Lima machi. Sasarana vas. Safelas. Harana namaskis karabasti. What's in the Africans generally? Pastry already has understanding nicks. Kaskarabo bom pum. Mirana namaskara maraskegda. Or Sunday Mazalane or Rubiachella. As a Karabaski.
Have you been part of the protest?
I'm going today. I was there day before yesterday. But the Mankana Baba Lega, Natangan. No told the Pelamin. Kitchen. Oh, kitchen for kitchen with a pants. That's my favorite part. I tell a pants. Ye Patiam Lega. Tell a pants, thank you. What? Tell a pants, you were going to thank you. Thank you. I tell a pants, thank you. And you may not take what I tell a pants, thank you. Let's let reporter go ETV. I'm barely running with the students. I got to join the school. The school about Quantile. Hey, wait. I'll tell the school. Nah, but no play to lion. As you say, let's get some going then. Let's talk after the break. Good gym, it's rough. Like rough. They went to parliament. This students went to parliament, Joe. Ha, played your pom nigga speakers na. That's balang played. Pom nigga speakers na go ta khulumela labantu. If all color played to khuluma ngesoprano. Okusho speakers na. Hele speakers selection ukuthi kune meeting namhlanje. Yazi selection nathi. Phumani bahlali phumani kune meeting. Pom nigga speakers ngako badala played. Now played just bam. Listen. Yanina. Yay! And the speakers lost it. Yay! Hey, my phone! Yawana! Yay! I'm talking about you, Babalo. What do you know, Roskin? Ubusaba plate ngathi ngathi umphetho ongandlulwanga. Yazi ukubona uvuke kusena umphetho. Yay! Ngomba plate. Umaqeda lobabona spin maqeda at students must fall uyajabula fana oqala kunomntwana matric omleader wangathena must fall aqala ngalo phezulu fall athi students must fall hey asidlali nani la hey bese speakers ngani nina ukabona ukhuza umntana kahle ukabona ukhuza umntana uthi hey tawushapa uyakuza uplate ngale voice hey Cape Town kwele parliament hey ngaba bo Julius nabo fees must fall abana matric fees must fall. How about matric dance? How about you guys start with matric dance and then fees will fall again. Fees must fall. Come Julius no Floyd. Fees must bazwere. But EFF before bakhuluma baya postan. Bazwere gore fees. Floyd song. Bazwere gore fees. Nikombela out town bazwere. Nikombela fees. Fees must fall ngapha. Alejandro Lele. Hey, siyabuya kule viki. No kwede na. Hey. Yeah, the matter has been tabled, so we need to table it. We need table close. Good uthini lo? Yeah. Yanina. Hey!
Then if the students don't accept this, we'll start our own movement. Students must fall. Students must fall. Students must fall. Students must fall.
But namhlanje la students zohlangana no Teddy.
Yeah?
Bayakudela uTeddy uthi uzohlangana nabo namhlanje. Uyothini?
I'm hoping he'll say, okay, you are right, and we've considered it, and we will.
But why take it? Why ahlale iviki long? Yini la yenza the whole week?
Formulating a response.
Abakashisi lutho. Abagijime. Abakashisi. Abantu bayaza ku okay ngicela ukukhuluma nabo. Listen. Yamazi basathi listen. Ngathi uzoshintsha nengqondo. Hayi. Awusho kanjalo vele. We can't keep quiet the whole week if you're the president of the country. The president of the country. Abantu baze unit building. Uthi bangaphandle. Okay, khulumani ningabanaki lapha. Yanina ubhizi love esencane. Yanina uplate ngimthathe serious. Angisamthathe serious laba balwana. You can't say student must fall when the country is like this. In 1976 bekunjejo. Namanje futhi and labantu laba abasiphethe imajority yabo vele abana imetric. Siya understand why bangasithathi serious. Yanina uplate wabona ama lips ka plate. Ngathi chin plate evulekile. Yini?
Wow. Ngathi ini?
Chin plate evulekile lapho. Yale chin plate yakudala ebhale. Hayi le bhale plate ebhale isinkwa.
But everybody seems to have forgotten Jorle Oscar is in the equation. Like he's probably
like Oscar Pume a day before. Ubana sivuka ekseni sithi sifuna ukumbona makakhasa avumo. Simile sithi hey. Ubona bajabule lo mntwana akhasa. Chu puchu. Ubona bajabule lo mntwana akhasa. Puchu. Shanyanozi. Ponje mpekani yakhasa. Sime kanjalo sonke. Reporters from Australia baba. USA but we're waiting for him. Oscar. Ubabheke TV. They're begging. And ubabheke TV uhlele ku wheelchair ngithi nya abakamniki like into ejela uphumna yonke into same time. Bathi hamba umthwala kuyokulandela. Hlela lapha esitulweni inyawo zale ngibru. Ngobona mangafaka le nyawo zakhe. Vele ibru lenge lonke. Okay, student, look at them. like no one saw Oscar, Joe. No one. Like nabantu bakibo babatshela ngo 20 past 5 bathi ozani. Bathi ozani. Why bathi simkhiphile lo. That's why ephume early. Angithi uhalf, ngeke uphume ngesikhathi. Hamba ngoba half bakho iya. Ufuna uphuma sasa kuphuma abantu abaphelele.
Can you do traffic, please?
Hamba shoti, mbiza shoti. Hamba mavetana. Kanje baba mkhiphe tshelele bamkhuzela. Hamba shoti, hamba mavetana. Hamba lethe hafu, inyawo sakazikho. Ngoba na masa special or clinic. My clinic. Abantu abakhula kakhulu baba phambili. Sikala baba khohlela hozani. Baba nike boni medication. Nasetshela bathi abana uphuma kusasa bathi uphelele wena. Baba half. Uvumbukenye nesandla siwa not bheka. Uyokanga ngalesi sinye isandla. Kunabantu sprayed abangaya ngesikolweni namhlanje. Bathi fees must fall. Manje ngoba basicula izero ngizathi asibhatali rent ngoba sinamali.
That's not the issue.
Another spread. Asilwele leyo manje. Siyazi asibhata umlomo ubovu leso sikhathi asibhata rent ngoba sinamali. Joshua sikhuluma ngecool fees manje. Ngokhuluma ngerent wena. Usala sa 20 vele. Yazi lokusini kodwa vele sa 20 vele. Hawu vele usula fees ngapha sibele igesi. Ngeke wafosi ishe ngeke. Na manje igesi. Ngapha isupport kodwa manje ngiphethe support mina. Ngasabambla abantwana uthi icela #fees must fall. Asibhadali rent.
You know, I was worried that the EFF were not going to say anything about anything, and then they showed up in Parliament.
No, they must. Tulani. No. The nice thing about the student, they said, as fun political party lent, as fun hey, it's
That
me.
was very awkward.
Hey, hey, it's Mosi here. And then, but it's Mosi. Saying you Barack. No, you Barack. Saying you Barack. Come on, man. Don't you recognize me? Why no AKA? Oh, AKA. Haila. No simpeta no money la. She boys no simpeta. La sister cause that. Di ready. Already one son. Di ready. Undi ready. What's in there? Oh, come on, province. I toy. One province I toy. One. Elimpopo, you know, I'm an university now. I read TV peanuts out toy. Hey, Mama Tum, no, the rascolong. That's my she's a young kid. Hey, you see, but one get him parliament, Pulukan, Hopla Scolon. Cricket, Nakre, Patala fees. Pulukan, Havana University. Pega uma pega um gajo. Pedaço de tipo bananas. How? But yeah, I'm supporting the match.
Yeah.
And for sure, I'm going to Pretoria today. And 14 days to go before my one-man show. Today marks 14 days to go before my one-man show. It's a Chevrolet happening in Gold City. If you don't have a ticket, I really apologize, Merseka. We tried to squeeze in the fourth show, but due to time, man. I tried to squeeze in a 6 p.m. show on Friday, but I felt like in the pressure, and I want to have fun on stage. So doing 4 shows will drain me in a way. Which the fourth show, and it's unfair to them. So I'm not going to open the fourth show. I'm sorry.
And then this weekend, are you gigging?
This weekend I'm going to Fismas Fall.
Okay.
And then show you I sugar. I son. Kokman ko. Ubala sot. Kokman ko jelo soni. But mata. Ubala ang mas lo ko jule maranyi nganga le dlala podio and then yeah. Oh, good luck to our pogo. Let's do this tomorrow, chance. Let's do this.